Third class science. Fourth lesson, living and non-living. Okay, fourth lesson, living and non-living. Question and answers, children. Today we will discuss question and answers. Living and non-living, question and answers. Okay, first question. What are man-made things? What are man-made things? Give 3 examples. Give 3 examples. What is the first question? What are man-made things? Give 3 examples. Answer. Man-made things. Man-made things are made by humans. Made by humans. For example, man-made things are made by humans. For example, cars, buildings, and roads. ROADS roads. ROADS roads are man-made things. What are the man-made things? Cars, buildings, and roads are man-made things. Second question. What are natural things? What are natural things? What are natural things? Give 3 examples. Give 3 examples. Okay, give 3 examples. Answer. Natural things given by nature. Natural things given by nature and are not man-made. Not man-made. Made. Okay. For examples of natural things. For example, animals, plants, and the sun. Are natural things. Second question. What are natural things? Give 3 examples. Natural things given by nature and are not man-made. For example, animals, plants, and the sun are natural things. Next, third question. Why do living things need food? Why do living things need food? Need food. Why do living things need food? Okay, answer. Living things need food. Living things need food to live. Living things need food to live, and food helps them. Food helps them to grow. Food helps them to grow. Living things need food to live. This food helps them to grow. Okay. Fourth question. Why do you need to breathe? Name two organs. Name two organs that animals used to breathe. Answer. Question. Why do you need to breathe? Name two organs that animals use to breathe. Answer. We need to breathe because we cannot live without air. What is the question? Why do you need to breathe? And we need to breathe because we cannot live without air. Next, here is name two organs that animals use to breathe. Okay. Next, continue. The two organs that animals used to breathe. Are lungs and gills. lungs and gills. Okay children, can you understand? Why do you need to breathe? We need to breathe because we cannot live. We cannot live. Next, name 2 organs that animals use to breathe. Okay, the 2 organs that animals use to breathe are lungs and gills. Lungs and gills. These are the 4 question and answers. Living and non-living lesson. 4 question and answers. You also write your notebook these 4 question and answers. Okay children, and learn. Thank you.